or redirection to the parking. But we say that no parking. No, I used to to a panel of grant. The venue, it was the ball I used to a grant if it was somewhere else. And particularly in a venue, thingy, yeah, ball. And parking, free parking for 200 cars. Vou ocupar the area como parking. You para o hotel. Yeah? No, order yangu could deliver a venue. Ndakakupa address yako venue. Ndakakupa address yako because wait. Sorry. Ndakakupa wrong address. Sorry, ndakakupa wrong address. No. Yeah, sorry, I gave you the wrong address. Let me give you the right address. It was my mistake because I was so tired. Okay, yeah, I get you now. I get you. Sorry, dear. Alright, I'll pass that to you. Okay, thanks so much. Alright, bye-bye.
This for tying the curtains.
We need to prepare the GH as well.
Hi guys, hello guys, malo guys, how are you guys? Stay here and get to hear the interview. Anasi toda kuita ichi dedza muchitega wamwe guys. Tinyatsonzwa interview ishi. Vanoda kubvunza zvada kubvunza zvese tiripo saka tegai vamwe and share the life tichipindura mubvunzo tichidaira mubvunzo yavo tichibvunzwa podcast. Yes. Tegai vamwe. Anda nyika date. Thank you, see my peer. Thank you. Thank you, Taderera. Share your life, guys. Share your life and take others. Share life and take. Anzi 10 cents. Okay. Wamuziwa te tukia. Joe Masoroza. Yes.
I'm surprised.
Thank you, Sam.
I'm surprised.
I'm not going to do
Thank you, Sam. And the Meko Island. Okay, who come to Island? Don't worry.
I think I'm doing
it. Island. Tend. aiwa tapane vamwe madhairisi kuti akatoti uyaiko pane vamwe akatotanzi vekuisland vatoti uyai kumba kwangu pane vamwe akatotanzi uyai kumba kwangu mungondudza musamuda kuenda vanatenga matiketi handikwaivhiza ndiriona pabhodha femi mwanwanwa hande handi akati kana mabuya mududze nditenge matiketi
togara mudublin tonemba mudublin 4 bedroom
aiwa bhola isati yachanga bhola ichaenda boumaneru kuma7 boumaneru kwai mite muchitazirawo mabhini please mabhini anetsa kwai mite muchitazirawo mabhini magama aya please ndondoati tinosvika kumabhini kuda mabhini
vangu havana baba vakanaya vangu
kadinani undamita haimitiki
zauya nedushu neclass tidire Smelly zati
kwai kubazondorova mukai ndouya hana hautendi ndouya sikotsine munhu akatoti chingosvika akatoti invita kunhuiri kuisland saka schedule yacho ndanga ichitesa akati kana please makungouya just tell me chete ndobva ndatenga matiketi ekuti muye saka atoripo munhu ndani saka very likely kuti tichati lendei muisland nekuti akativhiza ndondoari ndokudza kuti munoita sei zvese ndichakutumirai chakutumirai motikari inozokutakurai anti akati anokutumira motikari handi akati chakutumirai motikari paairport pachatitakura ndisuti papichapchap.
It's okay, don't worry. Yes. I want to talk to you. Oh, Papa, I don't think about it. Smith, super best ever.
What do you say? My dad is. What do you say, my dad is? Should I say? Tapinda magadzire vasikana magadzire. You said my love nema likes vasikana kana muda kuona zvoda kuitika pano. You said my love nema likes. Antiselina. Antiselina. Diri antidanai. Kana kuti maita wataku.
Mingers.
Yes, Patience. What do you say? Yes, Belinda. What do you say? Yes, Brenda Moyo. What do you say? Pane zviri kuitika scan. I made diaries. Pane zviri kuitika pavarapa. So the guys are just preparing. Panzi chikwe papa ndanari kundiwanzira. Panzi chisimele mukati.
Siyana comments.
Wada kubloka. Takutokubloka. Mayaita papa kumitizo. Takutokubloka.
Vanoda kumhanya vakasimba vane orange. Vane orange. Bloka imon.
Takubloka. Pana batauro zvisina nebasa. Pana i-positive talk. Ukada kuswera uchitaura zvisina nebasa uri kuenda. Tinokubloka. Ito yenyu makatotsiga. And I would took on comment section. Murisea scan ndakaneta in redway ndashanda ndakaneta and ndansanda tanga. Should they say 2 hours break yangu yandikufana kunge ndichiita but nda invent kwa scan. privacy. My privacy has been taken away from me. Andablocker munhu anongotaura zvisina nebasa rese. We don't. Ndakataura kuti whatever a person is, ndo zvaatori.
So let me.
Kunaka kushata vakanaka vachino vakabikirwa tii.
Then
kusimba kuonda tese tingofema mweya mwe chete ende tese tiri kungoenda down 6 feet under. Saka musadaro vedu hanzi musadhakwe before the ball. I'll try not to, sweetheart. I'll try not to. I'll try not to. Okay. Are we starting, guys?
Yeah, we just.
Oh, okay. You're going through.
Yeah, we're going through.
Okay.
I open our school so that we don't.
Okay. So that should.
You can just go somewhere outside.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm coming back. This is where this is. No, it's fine. I'll knock. Coming back. Let's smell up and wait on my final touch-ups and then interview your tongue. So this is where she's staying. The Grand Hotel, Birmingham. Smelly. Two minutes, guys. I'm sorry, more. Right along with the final touch up, so to give her a little bit of privacy. Then he lifty. Never singa vagari mara o wani makumba ruwaza. This is just a lift to come down. And this is the other wing. Is she ready? Smelly. But I don't come on heavy. Team checking. Barbecue venue, Melo. I think it's limited to a few close people. I think barbecue is not for everyone, my dear. Sorry, Melo. Barbecue is not for everyone. I think it's limited to a few chosen people because our venue is a bit small. This is the fire exit. Oh gosh, dead end. Timboba mkaka, guys. Timboba mkaka. Smelly wako ikire mkaka. Let's check if she's ready. Melo, big venue kandi nasi an idea with the whole year to prepare. Good to smell what we boy utanga kuma 6:30. Boy utanga na 6:30. He's on. Tare.
And then we ask about.
All right, start up print.
And then we go on to.
All right, when open the door when she's ready, okay? I'm Michelle. SATC. Sleep and shower. I Pamela Fish. Yeah. She's done? Is she done? They'll tell you in 2 minutes. No, just signal when she's done. It's Vicky. It's Nakar. Camelo. Boy could be on at 2 a.m. So there's ample time for you to come after we couldn't Leona. She did say. Shika punching for ADC. Could I get electric? No for more. Nyati. How are you, my sister? Tambuchani. Urukwere. Maisowi, how are you? Irene, how are you? Urukwere. Irene. Priscilla, are you coming to the ball? Honey Smith, are you coming? AGC, we are never. Babysitting in Birmingham, I'm shy. My students all. Ethom Tambrama, how are you? Melo, yeah, Kapita Nana said, come. Boy no tanga na nini shangu tango kushoma 2 a.m. Yes, dumiza mira wanted kupinjira kwa za chikafu chipana. Shamari yangu wajikaire dumebi. Wajikaire dumebi. Thanks, Brit. Peshishoniwa, how are you? Pemi, how are you? What did you ask about? My if na masibanda makafunza kuchi. Betty makadijin. Christabel wakadi hapo. ATC knocks out away. Your moon. MC Kudash sit down here, eh? Monica Sulu, how are you? Monica, Janet Tamba Bo, National Sports Stadium in UK. Janet Tamba Bo and no boy actually. No, yeah, 6:30. 7 o'clock UK time. Chatone Tamba Bo UK. Big stadium, no boy actually. Dumebu ahoy. Edith, I mean, how are you? Sally Wenyantuko, how are you? There you go. Tembeka is offering her babysitting services. Let me pin your comment, Tembeka. Irene Mapie, she got one. AGC bana babysitter the pina one. Okay, Daka. All right, are we ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Little bit on it. Let me turn the camera. Oh, let me. Come there. Right. Yeah, it's okay. All right, are we ready for SIS MELLY? Our African bingers. Bingers nourish them.
My headphones, I know brown bed. The brown bed.
I'm betting I'm taking a look at Marla. I put it up in the all right. Yes.
Sorry. This is gonna be an interesting
Let's swap
talk.
them. Inside. Let's swap. Right, this one. Sorry now, just swap it.
Take it.
Like,
One, two.
how is this? Like that? Can I how is this?
It's okay. Just what set up in white. Just what I'm saying.
Okay.
But
Yeah. So for now.
yeah, for now, the power it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good power papa.
1, 2, my turn.
Why for me?
Yeah. Make up at stronger now. We 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, try and
Move a kit a little bit around there, sort of.
what would I?
Like something like a but I can set up.
Backside. It's controlled by the.
Remove the card.
Okay, that's him.
Yeah, that's better.
That's better.
Are you sure? I'm so I know my shadows. It's
No.
what's the ISO on it?
That's a bit of shadow for my soul, but I don't think it is.
ISO, you have it right. ISO, it was
640. 2850, shutter speed 50.
okay. All right. Can you play the teleprompter? That one not you father say.
Hey, mira. Daku rondo pasa ku crash ire.
Kokati kutaura kudhara naiwe tambiko kuti unoita babysitting. Kune vanhu vaitoda mababysitting.
Right, I really need to see that.
Okay, yeah.
When me start drinking, I'm give up and down.
Right.
Nicely exposed. Exposure ball.
That's okay.
Exposure ball.
Okay, that one speed yeah, teleprompter, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
Can you play it, John? Let's talk ngatitaure askulume. Stop it.
Vinegar.
My vinegar does really. No, it's okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you very much.
So,
Okay, can you start? Let's see. Start it on. Play.
What you go?
Play it on.
The phone play.
I spoke play. Okay. Let's talk ngatitaura askulume. Namhlanje it's too fast.
It's too fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Take it down. Yeah, chitanga futhi kona.
Okay.
She was born and bred in Gweru. Attended Kurumbiro Primary School and Secondary School. She lives in South Africa, having left Zimbabwe in 2007. She's married. She's very kind-hearted. She told an online news forum called Zimbo Live that I don't take things for granted and I speak my mind. Yeah, Saka, Gaitang. It's good. So we just need one take.
Huh?
Take it beginning.
Sorry guys, they're just preparing.
Monitor my audio as well.
They're just preparing. Just give us a minute.
Okay, it's recording now. The presser is recording.
Okay.
Record camera.
Record a phone case up silent.
Silent, okay.
Can you hear me clearly?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay. On my Android, you know, iPhone, you know what swipe so.
Sis Melly, hands try to smile.
Super live. My Jenny Media. Jenny, come on. Just put it aside. Okay, press record.
Right. I'll count you down. 3, 2, 1.
Let's talk ngati askulume. SIS MELLY namhlanje. In England's Brian Marijeni from Marijeni Media. SIS MELLY is in the UK. Real name, I was put on with Zazao, but she's described online as one of the most influential Zimbabwean social media personalities. She was behind a Facebook group called mvenge ezongido. However, things have changed now, and that is in the past. She has completely rebranded and is now the driving force behind our inspiring forum, which has made a massive difference in people's lives and continues to impact people positively, called SIS MELLY's Diaries. She was born and bred in Gweru, attended school at Chikurumbiro Primary School, secondary school, Waramba Unduza, Chapezrana now. She lives in South Africa, having left Zimbabwe in 2007. She's married. She's a very kind-hearted. She told an online news forum called Zimbo Live that I don't take things for granted and I speak my mind. There and then, I can't keep grudges. Her favorite song is Chando Chemugweru by the late Paul Matawire. She likes Nelson Chamisa very much. Her favorite female celebrity is Dorcas Rebecca Chisamba, and she is passionate about cooking and fitness. It is, if at all my research is not accurate, she will set the record straight. But I'm glad I have saved that valuable time because we don't have much time for small talk. Having dealt with small talk, SIS MELLY now, let's talk ngati taure askulume about real issues and serious issues. So sit back, guys, and relax as we speak to SIS MELLY on your favorite podcast. Let's talk ngati taure askulume.
Right. Change of setup now.
Right, just a quick setup. Okay, so now, let me take this. I'll be reading from here now. Oh.
Don't be serious. And I'm setting my serious, SIS MELLY. Ngeke ndomasira zindipinye bikwa ngezi ndofanira mataviri. Ndonyebe boti ndofanira kubika. Come on guys, kana ndiyo.
Makataura mega.
I was on the mataviri iwa. But anyway guys, I'm going to set the record straight, yeah? I'll set the record straight. Because the artist you want to
She's not sad. She's having a documentary done. She's not sad. She's just serious. No, she's not sad. She's just serious. Mungu was versus Smelly kana vakanyarara. Izva zvidi hasha chirungu. Hansi Smelly taikusununguka kunyanya. Makanyanya kuzvisunga.
Aiwa ndakuzvisunga guys. Zvinova chiri kumboita ivo. Kana ndakuzotaura uda kubvunza muchasisununguka guys.
You're making them get worried, Smelly. Hansi barinja ari kuita nhema. Hansi kuita nhema. Guys, this guy I'm going to interview, yes, it's Smelly. He once interviewed Japreza. First international video yake akaitira Japreza. And I cooked for Japreza's show for the first, when he came first in the UK. Ooh. Anzi madhakweri namaru.
Asina matuje cheka.
Brian, and what's your page? And what's your page name?
Okay, let's talk ngati taure askulume kana kuti Mary Jenny Media on Facebook and Instagram everywhere.
Let's talk ngati taure kuluma
Askulume.
And kona ngundevera sinda try.
Okay, you said this one up.
And body language in Indo yataita kuta No, she's in a comfy chair. A very beautiful comfy chair. Nasi vanofana mbonyarara achingovhunzwa. Vatengereka Baileys kana iri nani. Okay.
Alright, Smelly, can you say something?
Hi guys. Hello guys.
Again?
Hello guys.
One, two. How's that? Okay. Okay, can you hear me clear?
I can hear you, but I just need to adjust the lighting here. Alright, I'm gonna have to move this back from 2.8.
What do you want to adjust?
No, 2.8 is too shallow. The f-stop.
Okay, can you flip the screen?
That's a Smelly.
It's fine.
She's in focus, you're not in focus. So we need to move it to about 3.6.
It's on auto.
The f-stop is on auto.
It's on auto, yeah. Unless you want to put it on manual.
Otherwise, I'm in my town. I'm not sure.
They become worried.
She's quiet at home. They don't know you're a different person at home. They're a different person. No?
She's nervous.
Ah,
That's
not.
It's very coffee.
Ah, coffee. I'm not in the boy.
How is that one? Okay, make sure you don't stand up. Audio, it's okay. Audio is fine.
Audio is fine. I'm not out of smell of stuff. Can you just say something?
I think that one's going on my massage. Not true, I think. Bye guys, I'm going for my massage before the ball. I'm going to massage before the ball. Take it out. For my massage.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Yes, I've got my keys. Let's go to check.
Baby funny. You don't need our keys. What's your phone?
Give me the keys.
You don't need them. You're not going to the room. You can't break it.
Right, Saka.
10 and what?
Come on, Murapa. Just watch your legs. Because they're only so fast.
This is rubbish. Why did they do that? I'm saying I'm not doing it. That's it.
Yeah. No, that's not your call. Who said this? I might pick it up here.
And that one it's on. That one it's on Smelly hit and it.
Yeah.
That one, yes.
Alright. Try it.
Fantastic. Set this to record. We're recording. Eyes on it.
Smell it out. Auto.
Are you recording that one? Kenny?
Yeah. You ready?
Are you recording that one there?
Yeah, that one is recording.
And the audio?
Check the audio. Brian, do you have another light?
Is I saw you whip it up.
Yeah, the bumper I saw. Just worried about it pumping. Right. Okay. Right. We're okay now.
Okay. Audio. Record audio. Audio.
Record.
Right, I'm gonna count to you. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we are back again, SIS MELLY. Okay, SIS MELLY, so tabvisa small talk ese out. Tedot wanangoziwa kuti SIS MELLY vari mu-UK inota kuchienda chi in the nitty-gritties of the interview. So let me start by welcoming you to the UK. And if I'm not mistaken, SIS MELLY, this is your first time coming to the UK.
Yeah.
Saka,
Yes.
it's been the first time. How have you seen the UK? Kuya komakaita shakafamba say.
Okay, so far UK is good, and kuyapa ndakaita aiwa ndakafamba zvakanaka ndakuya zvakanaka. Though at first when this thing was started, I didn't know actually. I wasn't even aware that I'm supposed to be here. So zvakangoita also shock kwandiri, but here I am.
Those are my fungira that UK akaita. My ones are kuchando. Nezvamakaona masvikawo.
I can say as somebody who's just a week old, and some zvakawanda, but some of the things zvadaitarisira, but zvimwewo yeah ndizvozvo. So for now it's 50-50.
Okay. So nezvamaona so far regarding life in the UK and comparing to South Africa, where you have lived for the last 16 years, nekuzimbabwe kumakakurira, would you consider relocating permanently?
Relocating permanently to UK? No.
Why?
Life here in UK, from what I've observed so far, people here, they don't have social life. Isusu tajaira kuve social, tajaira kuti, like, you know, aungarari nenzara uchiziva kuti pane vamazimba ari pakati. Of which that's impossible here. Everybody minds and lives their own lives. You know, you might find kuti anakugara panhu pamwe chete, but she doesn't even know the neighbors. And if ask that person kuti wagara pana panguva yakareba zvakadi, andoudza kuti 10 years, but hazive the people that are living across the street. So to me, nina kuti ndikarelocate kuzogara kunoku. Plus I have there's too much depression this side.
So, I think you are right, because even you would find out kuti mudzimba dzetinogara unogona kuita kana 2 years chaiko usingataurira neighbor wako, but muri maneighbors.
Yes.
But kana muri kuAfrica it's totally different. Kuti unoenda pa next door chinokwereta salt, chinokwereta sugar.
Even kuenda kusaluni chacho kundoswera the whole day uchitaura shona nemazimbabwenzi uriko. You see, so that's the difference iripo kuti kuno ku just live in a cocoon. Iwewe kana une mhuri yako kana uri one unogona kutogara wakadaro, kana ukatongofa unogona kutongofa ukazongowanikwa mero kuti rini uri wega. So for me that kind of life andingaigoni.
Okay, taking you back, how happy are you in South Africa?
In South Africa, I'm very happy. I am very happy, to be honest.
Okay. Then how many languages do you speak? Because my life venyeseka trombona muchitaura necheikoko tombozvaimbotaura kana chitswana kana chizulu kana ndebele. Munoyasotaura malanguages mangani?
Chishona, chizulu, Chitswana. Actually, I can say those, 3 languages.
Okay. So, zvambofamba sei siperi kuti ndizo muchikwanisa kutaura malanguages akawanda iwawo?
Kugara munzvimbo nekuda kudzidza kana kusvika panzvimbo. But remember, there was a time in South Africa kudhara pekuti you were forced to learn the language nenyaya yekuti unenge usatova nemapepa. Saka kuti ufite in ugare in usinganetsani nemapurisa nehomafesi, sometimes vakakutaudza nechavo ukadaira nechavo vanokusiya. So pane time kuti vaiti zvaitokumanikidza kuti udzidzire language.
Yeah, because I remember ini ndakaboshanda kuBotswana. I remember kuBotswana taiudzwa kuti ukasangana wainzi ma-SSG masoja anotyisa iwawo. Saka tainzi ukasangana nawo manje waitaka kubvunza kuti ichinonzi chii chikokora here kana kuti chief wenyamunzi chii. Ukangotadza chete wakutopinda kumba wakuenda.
Exactly.
But that's the life of vanhu vari kudiaspora, kuti sometimes we learn things the hard way, but ndo upenyu hwacho. Okay, so Smelly, tichifamba nenyaya yedu. So tell us about your nature of your visit. Makafambira chi kuya ku UK?
Okay, ku UK takafambira tine function yatinayo nasi, the ball that is being hosted by the UK family. Tine family kuno, a very huge family, diaries. So also to know this family, kuti vambori vanani, you know, we talk a lot kuma WhatsApp, tunoita ma video calls, but in person we had never met. And some of them vanotondida zvekutodaro zvazviya unoziva Brian. So it was just good kuti ndingoya ndikatotadza diary remunhu arikuda kuti Smelly yombo kwake rakamira sei right now. You'll be shocked.
Kana kwedu Wales mfana utoya musati madzi.
You'll be shocked. Diary rikuita unyorwa nemanagement. Vakaipa.
Okay, so tell us more about what exactly you do how have you been helping people, and what sort of people, and what sort of help do you give people?
Okay, if
as
you're asking what I do, what exactly do you mean? Do you mean like as I do?
As Smelly Diaries,
Okay.
what exactly do you do, and how do you help people?
Okay. Oh, as Smelly Diaries Live, we are a charity organization, family, Tingagoti Global, that has come together to help Zimbabweans. Sometimes we also help people from South Africa, though. So, Patino go now. We cannot say kuti tiri vanhu vane makambani anopindira oro what not, but patinokwanisa ipapo tikati 5 pounds per month, 2 pounds per month, South Africa noti 50 rand per month, 100 per month. Panenge paita problem iripo ingave yekuti munhu anobatsirwa kurwara, taimbotakurawo nezvitunha tichibatsira kuendesa kumusha, but takazostopa izvozvo nekuona people were becoming too reluctant. They didn't want to join the funeral policy that costs as little as 1800 rand per month. So I think it's actually less than 2 pounds here. They didn't want, because they were like, the Smelly Diaries would just go there and say, "Tine problem, can you please help us?" So we stopped that one here. Funeral policy. Rather, you come and say, "Can I have something to pay for my policy? And this month I don't know if I'm stuck." Talk about how much? 89. Somebody can pay for you even 3 months, because that's a basic thing that is needed. Not to
You're right, because I remember pane live yenye ndakaona yamakatoita like a documentary kind of style pane murume makasangana naye akatotaura mukamuendesa kwa doctor and then akabvunzwa kunzi who's your next of kin, akatotaura kuti ivava ndo next of kin, and it was such a sad ending because in the end he passed away, and I think you were the only person there, and I remember live yaimushinyasotaura kuti chika kuti mwari ndinotambira chete zvese zvamunondiita because I am now here to bury this person and ndimuzivi, but ndakasangana naye through Smelly Diaries. Kana vamwe vasikana ndikubvona kana vamwe vakawanda kunoendesa gomba kuti anenge amitiswa munongotaura kuti peka mabhegi ako ndiri kuuya kuzokutora nemota yako moenda mutosiya kubhazi munoenda kuZimbabwe. Not so many people, do what you do, which is something really good, if I might say. Anyway, and guys, for those of you who are watching, our podcast is Let's Talk Ngatitauri Askulume. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and everything, where we talk about various issues. And we are so happy kuti Smelly watishanyira kuno kuchando. Right, so considering how you made your name, Smelly, you made your name mvenge. That is quite some change. And I must say, you have shown the world that social media can be a driving force for good. Magaratidza kuti everyone is the capacity to change for the good of humanity. It's not the first time we address this issue, but I need you to tell us again, kuti chi chakayansoitika, why did you change?
Okay. When it comes to mvenge, but let's talk about it. Let's iron this out once and for all. Mvenge was just a group. Ratanga tango for more kuti Zimbabweans are together. Afari atambe. At first, it was quite okay. Taitamba shakanaka. But along the way, people ended up like, maybe Brian Uningo in a beef rako na 10 cents. And then you come and say, you want to say something, you should have thought about 10 cents, using a fake account, or you don't want to be known. You would bring the story on Ngwanyora to us and say, please hide me. You see, that was the biggest mistake that we did, because with no V11 and everything, sema admins mvenge taingo tora nyadza uyene vanhu tongo piwa nyaya kati. You find kuti pane nyaya ku UK kwatsaka tsatamboshika, kune nyaya ku America kwatanga tsatamboshika, kune nyaya kune dzimwe nyika kwatanga tisingatombozivi dzaingopostwa dzaiuya nevanhu isusu taingopiwa and then we post. So it ended up zvakuita kuti some nenyaya kuti vane mabeef, they would bring my fake stories, zvimwe zvinenge zvichokwadi andiona, but munhu anenge asikadi kuti zvibude kunze, but mumwe munhu atoya atozviburitsa kwatiri atipa istaposta zvabuda andiona, zvimwe zvinenge zviri sensitive information yekuti family yaisana kuti zvibude zvouya kwatiri zitongokanda, so along the way it ended up rakubata vanhu vakawanda, the group, like some like let me give you an example. let's say maybe inini ndiri kuita chihure ndiri mukadzi womunhu, my friend knows kuti maybe ndiri kuita chihure naningi anditi kwandiri shamwari but anoda kundifumura kumurume wangu hazvizivi, then she would create a story oya nayo ongotipa isu tongoposta otokupa mapictures emunhu iyeye totongoposta, then murume otozozisa kuti mukadzi wangu ndo zvaari kuita patove nedivorce. And you understand, so in actual words what I can say is it destroyed some people. And rakadestroy vanhu vakawanda, rakabata vamwe vakawanda, vamwe vakangorwadziwawo nokuti zvimwe zvavo zvaibuda vanga vasati prepared kuti zvibude, andiona. So ndo zvakaitika, but mukuita pataiita imomo pane pekuti unotanga kunzwa vanhu vachitaura like kuseri kuti but group iri kukanganisa, group iri kudestroya. That's what happened kuti ndizorichinja, tizosvika pakuchinja, because makuhwa akatanga kufamba kuti it's not good zviri kuva destroyiwa. And to me now, since pamunenge muchizviita munenge musingaoni kuti zviri kutokonzesa zvakaipa, then later on ndo pandakatanga vanhu zvainya kutaurika, ndo pandakatanga panapa this is not correct, kwazvakuenda kwazvave, now everybody is now talking hazvisisiri izvo. So I just decided kuti you know what, we are not up for this, takatamba zvikafara and kwarave kwazvaenda kana vanhu vakuchema, that's not correct, so I had to stop.
Okay, Saka, looking back at your past, and Kananchit, your past, I'm only referring to your social media activities, mvenge. Chich, I'm not regret the most.
I regret actually getting those stories from people very hide me. It's just post because at the end of the day, all those people who were bringing in those stories, some were the people who told tuka. They were actually there. But to think kuti needs one epiece, many people munwese auya Nyaya vamwaitomuona but uyu munhu uyu akatipa mastories akawanda but ari pafront, but semunhu aikwenda kuti izvozvo zvipere, I ended up quiet, even though I told them kuti you know what guys, let me take the bullet, maybe chitosara masure because I created the group, even mukaise admins, so let me just go full front, mukazoti indikabuda mukasara mukakontinue ndabuda yenyu. So I had to come and take the bullet because it's no longer what I wanted. Even my admin, they didn't see this one coming. I just thought it through Kumba, let's have a conference call. Guys, this is what I'm thinking. I'm not going to say, but now I'm closing this down, this group down. Then what I'm doing, you can use the name, it's fine. Because I'm Chan. And what? So somewhere like, but you got a point because sure. Somewhere like CA and stuff like that, but my name was associated with so we had to change completely. Okay, if you want me to leave it like this, inini chaba make sure timakusara pana pakupanas nyanza mukaramchida kana nyanza zamunopiwa piwa ine mavhile plus munhu ngazvikandira ega nyaya yake motovhura roita open group musave associated. So that's how we changed.
Okay, Saka, and I hope people out there may say manyaso kunzwa SIS-MELLY wachitaura about this issue, and I hope kuti issue ikaya icharambi ichitaurwa because reMvenge zvakaitika zvakapfuura, there were regrets made and she's made amendments and vanyasotaura zvakafamba sei zvakupi mazuva ano tangofamba naSIS-MELLY chete asikazvi SIS-MELLY ameno zvake isome kana tichobva kana kushift kana tichibva kuBirmingham tichienda kuLondon tongotsvaga naSIS-MELLY wati chi ona 1 hour rako unotoperekedzwa naSIS-MELLY neumwe side chick yavo vanonzi maybe takakumuziva ipapo payapa. Anyway, Saka, SIS-MELLY kukwanisa kufamba kubva kuSouth Africa kuya kuUK kubudikidza nemabasa SIS-MELLY diaries, how do you consider that a sign of success?
It's a very huge success because us as Zimbabweans, chatinoziva social media is just toxic. So for me, it's a very big achievement and a success because to think kuti social media it could abuse when you abuse a brain. Do you understand because really it's indeed a very huge success. Because I always tell people kuti I wasted 3 years. If I had started doing this 10 years, but for me kuti ndigarepa not to take because social media people are abusing it. And if you use it positively, it can give you something positive. So it is what it is, but
that's how it is. But Murgu Zimbabwe or South Africa, did you ever come across your mind that one day mutakwira ndege kwenda abroad social media as on as it name it Smelly, but you know, it's a good thing. And everyone is gonna have a good time tonight at the ball. So, like I said, those who just joined us, Smelly nice. We're happy that you guys are here with us, and kufara na Smelly.
No, in tears of joy, guys. In tears of joy
and everything. Yeah. Okay, so moving on to another issue that's happening in Ichirokupisa streets. The current topical issue, which we cannot ignore, in Nyaya. When she was convicted, Magaita Live lasted more than 2.5 hours. And people reacted differently. Wamewai chema, wamewachifara, kutanzwa bata. Vanhu vakataura zvakasiyana siyana. Wamewachiti, it's not fair on the kids. Wamewachiti, that's what you get for trying to live a fake life. However, what we know for a fact is that my Titi wasn't jail not because she was wrongly convicted, but surprisingly, one of us who address the issue ekuti, what have we learned from her actions? Sakasi Smelly, from your own opinion, what are we supposed to learn from the issue?
Just be content with what you have and what you are. Don't live a life of competition. Just run your own race. We can never be the same in life, and we cannot live a life in competition because takasipa chakasia. Umani ngari pamsoro pe umama chidaro, but just be content with what you have. Because if we look at that issue, it has got so many lessons to learn. So many lessons. I'm sure, and I would like to believe, she's also changing. She's in the midst of, introspecting again. A better somebody. Because pressure, sometimes that we get from people, it can lead you to that. You see. So I think if you just run your own race, the next team I think that will help a lot.
Yeah, and I actually saw one of my lives, Akabuda, my clips Akabuda when she was there, she actually embraced the whole situation and in those story books.
Yes.
Sakaji, I have to deal with
and
it.
That's the positive, that's the positivity that is needed. Because she's in there, if she can be sad and what she can have depression anymore. So don't you told you when lemons are thrown at you, make lemonade out of them. She has to be happy. She has to see everything really more in a positive eye. Because if she's going to see in a negative eye, and
let's talk.
Yeah.
Anyway, teaching by social media ipapoga. Munofungo say nemashandisiro agreed social media, especially Zimbabweans. Let me give a context of why I ask. Panewanu, whom I will not mention, Mazita. But not talking about social media, they attract a huge following, running into thousands of people. Then one opens up 2 or 3 hours, wachituka surely with such a platform, apana zvirinane rezvo ungakwanisa kuita kuti munhu iyeye vataure zvinovaka, especially personally kana kuti kuna vamwe vanhu. And so chibotauro makatarisa straight into that camera, Smelly.
Okay.
And tell my Zimbabweans your peace of mind concerning the way we conduct ourselves for social media.
Okay. Wow, this is a tough one. Though, but since it's podcast, it's nothing personal. I'm just going to say in my mind what I think in Indra Smelly. And I think people are using social media, but on the other hand, the monetization. So if you look at so many socialites right now, monetization something from Suka. So they attract something that is that is negativity. People loves controversy. People loves negativity. So if I run with this, chinotengeseka. Ndikarana nezve church, hakuna no because they don't want that. They want drama. You know, if we can have one this one socialite America I'm telling you, paying thousands, more than 2,000, 5,000 people watching because no should anyone watch 2 but and one. So for me, I can say each to their own. But though like I won't feel like you know semuno zvango dibera nemunhu pache zvako kuti uri kuzviona seri kunzwa sei tinotobonyara for sure for you need to tobonyara some of the things that us at ish but yo this is too much izvazviitish you know but now hazviti kunani because kwari zviri kuita and the people are there clapping hands and people are there putting loves and likes people are there putting stars so kazviti kwandiri but kwari zviri kutoita saka munhu nemunhu tokuita zvinomuitira but social media we can use it kuita zvinhu zviri positive zvekuti not everybody is called kuzvinhu zvecharity yes we understand because zvine calling zvazviya but you can a lot of things can be done pamapage akadaro a lot of things like now campaigning churches because takuno vanhu vakuda novhota zaikwanisa kushandiswa kuti vacampaign ende taito bring up a very massive change but it is what it is people they love controversy they love drama so they go where drama is nasi ndikakurira hembe I'm telling you Brian ndinosvitsa 10k 10k ine ndakadzibaya zosvika vanozondituka zvavo but 10k vanenge vasvika yes and kana mari kunazuka ipapo kana ndinotorora ndine kana $3,000 one day
kana mwana madhanzi munomboita futi munomboita madhanzi kamuchiita kuzunda so kuti malaits anobvawanda ipapo mabhizi anobvawa asi mukataura kuti ngatikontribute mari yekuti titumire munhu kuzimbabwe arikuita sei vana vauyi
chero kuti ngatinamatei chaikwana
vauyi asi pakaitwa something controversial
vanhu vandadra.
Anyway, SIS MELLY, thank you for your time, SIS MELLY. But maybe I should close the same way I opened, Anditika. So that was about what I call small talk. Our research department went back 4 years. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, SIS MELLY. 4 years, Ingwa Reba. You have changed in those 4 years. As we know, what else has changed for small talk here, Anditika? You still don't take things for granted. You still speak your mind there and then. And are you still keeping grudges?
I don't keep grudges. Okay. I don't keep grudges. I can't actually keep grudges. And then I just say, Papo, I'm not already. Distopia, so that I can have to end the ramble and you're going to check it a grudge one. 2, from where you started, you said I like Tapo, Matavich and Chemugwe.
No, that was my next follow-up question, SIS MELLY. Because is Chando Chebugweru still your favorite song and why?
Not. It's not my favorite song. My favorite artist is Just now. That's my favorite artist.
As 4 years ago, my dad my favorite SIS MELLY.
Maybe on social media you are just proud of your town. In the Aimbwa, no muyimbi. Kunotonora zvako but not zvokuti ndingada po matavere. No, my favorite artist is Just now.
Kubika nekugym
aiwa kubika nditomboni zvokufarira zvokubika izvi asi kugym yes ndine passion nekugym.
So how is your routine kugym? Favorite routine yenyu kugym yakamira sei?
I go to gym makuseni around when it's summer. If it's summer ndinoenda na 5 ndobuda na 7 kana iri winter normally sometimes ndinoenda kuma 9 ndobuda kuma past 10 to 11.
Okay. That's good. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, which camera am I looking? This one, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, lastly, SIS MELLY, one thing Chamsinga about yourself, Chandaka discover about you. And most of my diaries, you might not know this, but we actually discovered this a few years ago doing our research about SIS MELLY. And SIS MELLY, would you want to know about it? And also about you?
Yes.
But serious?
Yes.
I'm right,
No.
Okay. SIS MELLY, you are prophetic. And what I mean by prophetic, SIS MELLY, when 2019, maka profita kuti Nelson Chamisa achatanga party on the CCCC. That's what you said. Makangano. CCC yakatangwa January 2022. And but 3 years before that, you were asked kuti which Zimbabwean male celebrity would you take on a date? Interestingly, you said CCC, Chamisa Chete Chet. And on that note, Smelly, she's prophetic. So ladies and gentlemen, it's been nice having Smelly on our podcast. Let's talk Ngati Taure Askulume. Follow us on our pages, and we're also gonna put it on Smelly's Diaries. And tonight is Smelly's Diaries Ball, which is in Birmingham. So we're expecting to see everyone there. Come and see us. We also do videography and photography. We're gonna be taking the pictures. Dr. I remember ndakamboenda kune imwe event, so ndikasvika zvikanzi on our queue. I think I took vibes. Zvikanzi munoziva wakomanawo, zvikanzi ndiwapiwa, zvikanzi wakawa kuti akakutora picture yangu wakashata sei kaunobva wanaka. Saka tiso wakomanawo chaivawo. So on that note, Smelly, I would like to thank you for having us on your show. And I'm actually a big fan. And then I told Zakumba Kotichi, little guy online, yes, you know, Smelly, she's live. Because Kumbakwa you know, Smelly, Chico, you pay Smelly. No, is this to keep her to date, Nechi? The current event that's happening.
Yeah.
Because another one goes with
Yeah.
you go on Smelly's diary.
Yes.
Unonzo is never cheating. And it. Saka Dumebi, Shamari yangu. Oyo, tozoonana.
Yeah.
So guys, it's been good, it's been great. Saka yes, you know taunzirwa amarula na Smelly from Africa. Apinda Dumebi. My Dumebi ashika tanopedza ka.
Uranza apinda ndimampinzi.
Oh, apinda. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's nice. So guys, yeah, that's it. The interview is over. Takuchina kids, we all going out to have fun now. Everyone will see you later at you know it's usually
Ball.
at the ball. The place anyway, we're going to put my details at Crown Plaza here. We'll find you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brian. It has
thank you,
been an honor being on your podcast.
No, it's been nice.
Guys, just go and follow them on their page. Just go and follow them on their page. Masikulume, Ngati Taurei. No, let's talk. Ngati Taurei, Masikulume. And it is on Facebook. So just go and follow them, guys, because you get to see many other people that will be here in the UK coming from Africa. So I got to follow away, guys, to get it up to date. Currently use those that know that it.
All right. Thank you, Darius.